Good news coming in from Paris Olympics for India. Indian wrestler Vinesh Fogart has won the semi-final in wrestling in Paris Olympics, guaranteeing India the 4th medal at the Games. Well, Fogart now has entered the gold medal match, defeating Cuba's Guzman, and has now entered the finals. The silver medal, of course, has been assured for India. Also, she becomes the first Indian woman to reach the wrestling final in the Olympics. My colleague Rika now joins us on the broadcast here, getting us more on that thrilling match that took place just a while back with Vinesh Fogart entering the finals. Now it's more good news now coming in from the Paris Olympics here, Rika.
Well, the 4th medal for India has been guaranteed at the Paris Olympic Games. It could be a silver or a gold. Vinesh Fogart will get India the 4th medal. It is also a historic moment for India because it's the first time that a woman has entered the wrestling finals. So Vinesh Fogart will take on her opponent for the gold medal match tomorrow, and she could end up on the Paris podium with a gold after significant challenges that she had faced over the last 19 months. The 29-year-old was the voice of wrestlers' protest, was the face of wrestlers' protest, sitting in Jantar Mantar, and she's been talking about the challenges that have been faced by the women wrestlers because of the establishment, because of the federation, because of the body that runs the federation. Also, she's spoken along with other wrestlers about sexual harassment. She is the one person, along with Sakshi Malik, who raised their voice against injustice in the system, and thereby, giving voice to the young wrestlers. This is a moment of truth for her. This is a huge moment for the young women wrestlers who all feel vindicated at this moment. The entire wrestling fraternity that had protested against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh and the systemic injustice perhaps has given their answer with this medal. We were expecting big deeds of Vinesh Fogart, who have been training in Bulgaria for a while, and she had missed out on medals in Rio, in Tokyo. We all knew that she's a class act. She is an Asian Games gold medalist. She's twice bronze medalist at the World Championships. But it was about time that she medaled at the Olympic Games. The last 2 times she had been injured and hence could not medal at the Games. But this time, Vinesh, by taking down the world champion and the class.
All right, absolutely. Thank you so much, Rika, for getting us all those details.